Ricky! Ricky! No! Sit! Can we just talk about this for a sec?
Where was he?
Hey!
He was just laying in my room, huh?
Come here.
Back door open?
Yeah.
Who did that?
I don't know. Probably him. This boy right here. Guilty as charged, huh?
Can you
Come
put
here.
him on the front porch?
Front porch? You want me to walk him through there?
Yeah, or kick him out the back door.
He's even got a mustache.
Sit. Let me see.
Ben!
Let me see. Let me see your face. You're all muddy. That's gross. I'm turning the camera off so we can hit you. In the face! Just kidding. Oh, hey, sexy. What's up? You're really dirty, huh? Don't you laugh. This isn't funny. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Stop laughing. You nasty boy. You nasty.
Get him outside.
You're so gross looking. Oh my gosh.
I need him to stand up.
Ew. Stand up, Ricky.
He's kind of blocking the drain. If I can entice him to go outside,
Stand up.
I can reset him. Let me get him to go outside. Come here, Chetty. Come on, let's go outside.
Ew, ew.
I ordered pizzas.
How were the pizzas?
I ordered pizzas.
Oh, did you? Am I picking them up?
Nope.
You ordered for delivery?
Happy 50th! Jessica! She's only 29.
Is that why there's 9 candles?
Okay.
Now make a wish.
Sorry, there's a bug on the cake. I tried to blow the bug off.
Woo!
Can someone get that bug? There's a bug on the cake. It landed and I was like, and it flew behind the candle. That's pretty gross. It died. The poor thing flew through the heat and died. I love how everyone's laughing at your joke. The bug flew through the heat and died.
Yeah, it's like singed.
Where did it die at? Good morning, Maggie. Casey, move, please. I want to look at my Maggie. Hi, Mag. How you doing? Look, I put the fan blowing on you so that you'd cool off. No, you don't like it? Okay, I'll turn it around so that Casey can have it. You like that, Casey? Oh, you just got chilly, huh? So, what's up? I'm going to the doctor today, and that's why I'm not with the kids. And then I'm gonna just go to the kids' house. Isn't that nice of me? So, talk to them. Alright, so I dropped the kids off. I mean, kind of.
He's under arrest. We have to
At the creek, and then I came back for them.
We've been chasing him
so
for
nice.
hours.
I know, right? We found David. We left him first.
Here, Mary Kate. She's like, I don't know my way home from here.
Wait, I'm trying to see them in the rear view mirror. Uh-oh, somebody's coming. Can you see them in there? What is he doing? He's trying to block the street from us. Getting in yet?
No, Mary Kate, David, get in. David.
Guys,
David.
get in.
David. I know. Get in the car now.
Get in, get in.
Why? What happened? Why? People are creeps behind us.
They're following us.
Here, can I call Mommy?
Doggy. Doggy. Yeah, what's going on with the vacuum? Doggy. Wake up. Wake up, dog. Wake up. Oh, 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 oh. Getting little. Wake up. Oh. Hi. Hey. Hey.
Get away from me.
Hey. Hey. Ah, get away from me. Hey.